Romulo, dámelo.
We have a Mexican lunch today. It's chicken and rice. And guess what I brought for dessert? Sweet and chayote. Some learning and fun here at my small kitchen. Hello, how are you today? Welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. We're going to prepare tonight these 3 chayotes. We'll make dulce de chayote or chayote in spice syrup. It's a dessert. This recipe is from the Dominican Republic. It's also done in the Philippines but without the spices. What are the spices, you might ask? Just this. Cinnamon, star anise, cloves, and salt. Just a pinch of salt. I mentioned dessert, so that suggests abundant sugar. And we're using brown sugar, busted sugar, dark brown, for more enhanced flavor. So, what's the first step? In fact, there are no serious steps. Just add the spices and boil. Of course, we need water. Minimum, let's say 1 cup water. Let's just boil this to have the spices infused in the syrup or in the fluid, which later becomes syrup. For the meantime, let's peel and slice the chayotes. Chayotes can be harmful to your hands. The sayote or the chayote sap can be harmful. Not harmful, but they leave your hands dry. So we need some protection. Now, peeling a chayote can be tricky because of the ridges. What I have experienced or what I have learned is that cutting along the ridges minimizes the waste. Cut along the ridges. And then slice it. This way we can maximize the volume of vegetable that we can derive from this. Look, peel along the contour instead of peeling deeply and subsequently wasting lots of the fruit or of the vegetable. I have to start peeling this before this thickens. This is the last piece. I can wash them and begin slicing. And for the meantime, this is thickened a bit. And I can smell the aroma of the spices. Finish. We'll boil it now. We'll add it to the syrup. Notice that the amount of water is very minimum. We'll just add if required. Also note that the vegetable contains water. So, in effect, the addition of vegetable will not affect the initial volume of water. It will stay the same, almost the same, factoring in the evaporator. This needs around 15 to 20 minutes to cook, and when it's ready, the syrup should be around 1½ cup. This should be cooked now. I'm gonna turn it off. You can discard the cinnamon stick and the anise, but for me, I'm gonna leave them as decoration. I'm gonna leave it open. The aroma is just magical. It perfumes the room. Seriously, I'll leave it open. I'll leave it to cool at room temperature. Allow the syrup to marinate the chayote further, and I'll bring it to the office tomorrow. Curious? This is how it looks. They all like it. I'm sure you too will. Make it today. Chayote in spice syrup.